Now, we've decided that subtraction is like adding an opposite. But what if we want to subtract something that's in parentheses? What if we have, for example, 5 minus x minus 3, and we want to write this without parentheses? Well, our first move is to rewrite all this subtraction as adding the opposite. But now the question is, how do we take the opposite of x plus negative 3? Well, one of the things that we discovered about taking the opposite comes to our rescue here. The thing that we discovered is that taking the opposite is like multiplying by negative 1. In the language of equivalent expressions, the opposite of a is equal to negative 1 times a. So, the opposite of x plus negative 3 is equal to negative 1 times x plus negative 3. Ah, now this is multiplication. I know what to do with multiplication. I apply the distributive property. So I'll have negative 1 times x plus negative 1 times negative 3. And now I use this fact again to say that negative 1 times x is negative x, and negative 1 times 3 is positive 3. So my original expression then becomes 5 plus negative x plus positive 3. I think I can get this a little bit nicer than that, using the commutative property to exchange the negative x and the 5, and now associating the 5 and the 3, I get negative x plus 8. Again, how do we take the opposite of a group? We understand taking the opposite as multiplication by negative 1, and then we use the distributive property.